Education is evolving, and one Charleston nonprofit is leading the charge by using creativity and innovation to empower students. For nearly a decade, Engaging Creative Minds has been making a difference in our community. We are happy to be joined by their CEO, Robin Berlinski, and Program Coordinator, Lauren Silver. Ladies, so great to have you here with us today. And Robin, can you tell us about ECM?
Oh my gosh, yes, I would love to. So we were incorporated in 2013 to solve a problem, which was when school districts would cut their budgets, the arts would be cut first. And so a team of really smart educators from around the Low Country got together and said, we need to fix this. And so they created Engaging Creative Minds as a nonprofit so we can raise funds and bring the arts back into the schools.
That's wonderful. And the arts are so important. And can you speak to the outcome that they have when students are involved in the arts? What impact does that have on them throughout their youth and then into adulthood?
Yeah, it's huge. So arts integration is all about the content and the art standards. So if a fifth grade class is learning about force and motion through dance, they're learning their math and science skills, but they're also learning dance skills. So kids get exposed to things they may not otherwise be exposed to, and the learning is memorable. You know, when you experience something, you remember it for way longer than when you memorize it.
Yeah, I remember being in chorus class, and then I started all of my math tests. I would, try to create a song, right? That would help me remember. And now, Lauren, as a program coordinator, I feel like ECM is really all about helping students stay engaged and excited for school. So how does this program keep students wanting to learn?
Well, pretty much what Robin just said. When we talk about arts integration, we are creating a deeper meaning for the content. Kids are making those connections, and those of us in education know how important it is to make those personal connections. So like you just said, chorus class, you're making those songs to ace that math test, and that's so meaningful, and here you are all these years later and you remember that. So engagement is name of the game, and when we have higher levels of engagement, then we have higher levels of motivation, and then kids want to be in school, they want to be in after school, they want to be in summer.
Yeah, and speaking of that, it's not just in school. You have several different programs. Speak to what some of those are.
Sure, so we are in school, after school, and summer. We also have a high school program that is entrepreneurship. So we run our programs all year long in all aspects of really the school year and school day.
And now in 2021, we merged with Yes Carolina. Robin, tell us about this partnership.
Yeah, we did. It was really exciting because we were K-8 at the time, kindergarten through 8th grade. And Yes Carolina had a really beautiful entrepreneurship program that was running in high schools. And so merging was so smart because it completed a K-12 pipeline for us, and we were able to really level up both our services and do more for the kids.
What will the future hold for ECM? What would you like to see in the next 5 to 10 years?
Well, globally, all over,
yes,
right? Like
yes.
The arts are so amazing. Every student should experience it. We do a lot nationally. We're involved in a lot of national conferences, from after school to summer to in school, connecting with school districts from around the country. So we're hoping to really grow this out and have more schools participating in the arts.
Yeah, absolutely. You do have an annual fundraiser happening in January. Talk to us about that, Lauren.
Sure. So we have the Charleston Half Marathon 5K and Youth Marathon. It'll be January 25th, 2025, so super easy to remember. But it is our really, really fun, huge fundraiser for us. Whether you're a runner or you want to volunteer, it's a great event. We have the Youth Marathon that's embedded inside of the Charleston Half Marathon. Kids spend really now until January racking up miles. They're so excited. We have a t-shirt design contest for the kids, which is so much fun. And we really get them involved so that they can run that last lap around the River Dog Stadium, which is just, I don't know, it's so much fun.
Yeah.
I get really excited about it.
And so the Charleston Half Marathon is one way that we can support ECM. What are some other things? How do we get involved if we want to help your cause?
Oh my gosh, volunteer. We would love it if there was a key volunteer at all our schools, like a parent who really wants to get involved. Help us out, join us. Artists are welcome to apply to work for us and with us, all kinds of ways. But the marathon's really the big one. We need like 450 volunteers to do aid stations and all the great things that keep the marathon literally running.
Yeah, literally running. Okay, engagingcreativeminds.org is where you can go to learn more about this organization and also all the information about the half marathon, and that's where people can sign up to volunteer, right?
Yes.
On the website.
Yes,
wonderful.
absolutely.
Ladies, I want to thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're back in 2 minutes.